Every piece of art has a story, and this one is no different. Over the years, this artwork has lived a full life. It's been touched, admired, and woven into the memories of everyone who encountered it. But time leaves its mark on everything. That's where restoration comes in. Just like people, great things deserve a second chance. A chance to be seen again, to shine again, to matter again. And that's exactly what I'm here to do. Bring this piece back to life, one careful step at a time. If you believe in second chances, for art, for people, for the things that matter, drop a yes in the comment below. And who knows, maybe putting that belief into the world is the first step toward receiving the second chance you've been waiting for. Let's restore more than just art. Let's restore hope.